Hello my friends, welcome to Condenser. My name is Ashkumar and in this video we create a neumorphic web design. I have already created a final product. Let me show you. This is the design. You can see there are neumorphic design buttons. And a simple form which look like engraving in the website. Let me show you the final result also. Now you can see the website. When I click home button, it feels like it is pressing like a physical button. I use this effect in all the navigation buttons, and this website is quite responsive too. Here you can see the design is responsive and stack over each other. Let me show you how it does. Now let's add a new project folder. Neumorphic design portfolio. Let's create a file and folder structure for our website. Index.html, CSS folder, image folder, tile.css, and let me copy this as SVG file from the final project to the current image folder in which we are working. First we will create this navigation bar with this logo, put an exclamation mark, quickly create the blueprint for our website and edit the title. Let's use a header tag for logo and navigation. Div class container flex. Let me add some reset values for our website. Search for CSS reset. You can copy this CSS reset. Let me add comment CSS reset. Now we use h1 tag and span for logo. Class logo span with the class logo color. Let us add some style to it. Let me add the font. Go to Google font, Lato. Let's add 300, 400, 700 and 900. We will use this import format and include this import format in the CSS. And now let me add some colors, CSS custom properties or CSS variable, box sizing, border box, color, inherit, text decoration, none. We need to specify image width is equal to. Now we add top bottom margin for paragraph, margin 10 pixel 0. And now add a body tag, and now let's add a default font and text color in our body. Background color var primary. To call this variable, we need to use this syntax where we use var keyword and a bracket, and in this bracket we call the variable name primary color double dash like this. And let me show you what we get. You can see our CSS is good to go. Now quickly add some more default in our body. Color, light color, font family, Lato. Now let's add our first utility class. Utility class is a class which we use across the website. So first utility class is a container class which we wrap this whole website in a container within the margin dot container, max width 1440 pixel, margin auto padding top bottom 0 and 20 pixel left right. Let me add a height and color to show you the dimension of the container. Background color, height is 300 pixel. Now you can see the container size, and now quickly add another utility class flex. By adding this flex class, we will convert a div element in a display flex property. Dot flex display flex. Justify content center for now. We change this value as per our need in the future. Height 100%. So now let me remove the background color and height. So now let's create our logo first. Dot logo class. Font size. Where secondary color. And now wrap this junkie with another span tag with a class name of display block. Now our logo is looking good. Now let me add navigation bar with the nav tag 12 li 8. Now duplicate this home link. Let's call it SEO contact. Now we can add a utility class PTN, but before styling this navigation, we have to format our header layout. Header dot flex. Justify content space between. Align item center. Now it is looking good, and now add height to a header as height 198 pixel. Now we add our style to our navigation menu. Now target UL under nav, display flex, margin, auto, align item, center. Now add style to our btn class under the utilities dot btn. Font weight, padding, margin, left right 20 pixel, and now let me see. These are looking good. But how to create that design? It's all about working with shadow and shadow blur. So we are using two shadow. One is light shadow, second is dark shadow. Now you can see there is a 3D effect in the design. Please hit the like button and subscribe to Code Fusion and hit the notification bell. Remember, keep coding, keep learning, and keep improving yourself day by day. Bye bye and take care. See you in the next video.